all you need to do is paste it here, and you will be making this amount every 2 minutes, which equates to a massive amount in an hour. It's absolutely free and it works all over the world. Let us jump to my computer so I can show you the strategy to make money online. Everything is going to be explained step by step, so it's really going to be easy for you to follow. And by the end of the video, you'll be ready to start making money right away.
This is Hustleaholic, and welcome to the channel, where we will show you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get into the video.
Step number 1. Go to Google and search for articles that teach people how they can lose weight. For example, you can search for keywords on how to lose weight and the likes. Number 2, you need to find an article that teaches people the steps on how to lose weight. For example, I am going to use this article here, How to Lose Weight Fast, 3 Simple Steps Based on Science. You can choose any article that you like. The point is, you just need the right keyword, and you need to find an article that teaches how they can lose weight. Open those chosen articles and leave them open because we will be using it later. Now, go back to Google and search for Google Sites or open up sites.google.com. Click on that and it will open up this page. This free tool will help you create a free website. With that, I am going to show you how to use this tool to make over this amount frequently. Anyone can earn this amount if they follow the steps of this video. You can be a complete beginner and still be able to do this. So now, upon entering the Google Sites, click on black here, and this will then open a page that will lead us to create a website. As you can see, you don't need any coding skills for this. With Sites, you can edit everything. You can change the title, like what I'm going to do. You can change the color, add some text, and change the background image. To change the background, you can click here and select either upload or select image. It's really easy to make a nice looking website. You can just play around it, because I will not go in detail on how to design your website. Now, add another text here. Since we have a text box ready, we can now go back to our opened articles and copy relevant information, which is in line with your niche. And don't worry about copyright. All you have to do is credit his or her website, where you got the information from, to avoid copy strikes. Upon copying the text, you can literally do anything you want with the text. You can make it italic, make it bold, or any font you like. Thanks to this free tool, you can also publish this for free. To make it a little presentable, I want to add some images. If you have no stock images, you can just simply go to pexels.com and find the best image that will fit to your website. This website is going to give us free images that we can use on our website. You don't need a single dollar to make this happen. Anyways, you can search weight loss or fitness or something like that and just find an image that relates to your keyword. For example, I will grab this one. So click on free download and they will immediately download it to your computer. To add those downloaded images, simply click the images right here and click upload and then find the images you want to display.
Before we get going with this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment down below.
Before we publish this website, there is one single thing that we must do for us to make money. To do that, go over to digistore.com. This website is an affiliate marketplace, but if you want to know more about this website, you can read more about them by searching them on Google or just mainly on their website. It's like ClickBank, but only for digital products, and it works all over the world. You can sign up for free. Just relax and follow the steps. Click Start Now. Enter the necessary information, and upon creating an account, log into your account. It will look something like this. Go on to the marketplace, click all offers on the affiliate marketplace. That's going to give you their affiliate links so that you can make some money. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it means that you can promote someone's product with your affiliate link. And whenever someone clicks and buys the offered product, you will then get commission off the sale. The commission percent will then depend on the product and seller. So, try to aim for highly commissioned products. If you stick around me, I'm going to show you how to let your money roll and do no selling just by copying and pasting and making hundreds of dollars as needed. On the left-hand side, you can see fitness and health. Click on that. Since your website will be all about those keywords, you can go around and find some nice paying products. So let me select this one. This one is going to pay me this amount for every sale that I make. So it's not going to be really hard to sell because it is cheap. Now, all I need to do is click on Promote Now, and it will give us its affiliate link. Click and copy the link. Also, you can track your commissions on Digistore by clicking on the dashboard, and it will show you your money once you start making any. With that affiliate link, go back to your website and add some text. You might want to above this statement, easiest way to lose weight in 2 weeks, and paste your affiliate link right here. Another thing you can do, if you want to make it better, you will just write, click here to get instant access, and emphasize that using the bold font option while linking it to your affiliate link by clicking this. Now, if someone clicks on this, they will be redirected to the product, which will then entice them to buy if they really want to lose weight. It's a good investment for them. Now, I just played around with the designs to make it a little bit professional looking. However, make sure to input your affiliate link multiple times in the text so that they will not miss it. Once you're done designing, you can now publish your website, then create your own custom web address. Now, click Publish so that they will give you your own custom link that will take them to the website where the affiliate link is found. If you want to look at your website from the buyer's perspective, you can just click on Preview here. It's really good. Now, to produce traffic on your website, you can simply open up or sign up to Twitter, Facebook, or Quora. In addition, by logging in those websites, you can key in the keywords so that it will give you people, groups, or pages asking about how to lose weight. Upon finding those, you can reply or post your affiliate link together with a message that states how this product has helped you lose weight. You can converse a little to create value to your product, which will then entice other people to buy it so they can lose weight as well. Just remember that the strategy will not make you money instantly. You had to be consistent in posting your affiliate link on any post, article that you can find. With hard work, the money will come.
That's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe. This is Hustleholic, and I'll see you in the next videos.